Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use your memory seat feature on your Nissan or Infiniti, though if it's so equipped. And if you don't know what that is, it is this little panel right here. So it has two options for driver one, driver two. I'm going to show you how to set that. So what that essentially does is you set your steering wheel to the position you want, you set your mirrors to the position you want, and you also set your seat to the position you want. And then you set that for driver one, and then you change everything and then set it for driver two. So how to do that is you don't have to start the car, just put it into the ignition on. And then if you got telescoping steering, you just set it back, set it forward, up, down. And then for the mirrors, you set there, you can change it to either, sorry, it connected to my phone. All right, so you set your mirror and turn it, and then change it for your opposite side and set that. And then for your seats, all right, and then for the seats, you can set it forward, you can set it back, tilt the backrest forward or back. And then what you do, you want to press set, and then press 1 or press 2, depending on which option you're doing. So that's set. Once it's set, the light will turn off. So now when we turn the car off, let me try to get a live demonstration. So mine's already set. I don't have for a second driver. So if I put the ignition to on, you see the steering wheel tilted to the position I want, and then the seat will move to the position I want. And then of course the mirrors. And then for your second driver, you just repeat those steps, and then you push set again, and then we're gonna switch it to driver two. I don't have a second driver, so I'm not worried about it. But if you didn't know how to properly use your memory seat feature on your Nissan or Infiniti models, now you do. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.